We've all been feeling the pain at the pump, but guess what? There's a way you can get some of your money back. You still have time to file a claim for a gas tax refund. 5 on your side's Laura Bacheski joining us now. Laura, there's already been a pretty big response here.
Brent, the Missouri Department of Revenue says in the first 2 weeks of accepting claims, they've received more than 3,100 gas tax refund claims and have some tips for those preparing to file.
A little bit helps.
Driver Chuck Vogelsang says he's been saving his gas receipts ever since October of last year so he can get a gas tax refund.
I usually fuel twice a week, so I pull them out, put them in a folder at the house, and then at the end of the month I calculate it all up.
While to some it may be tedious, he says it's worth it.
You get anywhere from maybe $14 up to a couple hundred back, and that go up toward maybe more fuel, maybe put some food on the table.
Vogelsang says he plans to file this weekend. If you haven't filed yet, the Missouri Department of Revenue wants people to be aware of some of the biggest mistakes they've seen on gas tax refund claims. People filing the wrong form, using the non-highway form to claim fuel used for everyday driving purposes, not including all the required information, and multiplying the price they paid by the wrong number. The founder of the NoMo gas tax app, which helps people file more easily by keeping track of fuel receipts and information, says she's noticed many people are having a tough time interpreting the law.
I know a lot of folks, as simple as highway versus non-highway miles or vehicles. Some people think, well, I don't drive on the highway, so they think they have a non-highway vehicle, and that's not the case.
For those of you thinking this doesn't apply to you because you live in another state like Illinois, app founder Tammy Hilton says that's not the case.
If you don't live in the state of Missouri, but you're in the state of Missouri once a week because you're a truck driver, a commuter, logistics, work for yourself, doing something, you can still file for this return. This is really a gas tax for people that are purchasing gas in the state of Missouri.
Now, to clear some things up, those non-highway vehicles would be things like boats and tractors, not whether you drive your car on the highway. The deadline to apply is September 30th.